Good afternoon. My name is Ariel McAfee, and I am a freshman music major and management and organization minor here at Spelman College from the Poconos, Pennsylvania. So, one skill that I have learned this semester is learning how to make my own music on Finale, Pro Tools, Logic, GarageBand, and all those different types of music softwares. Another skill that I've learned this semester is how to do stage setup. And this is one thing that's really good to know, just because if you plan on having a career in the music industry or in music in general, I think it's good to learn how to set up a stage so when people come or the band comes, all they have to do is just sit down and tune their instruments. Another skill that I have learned is how to build apps. So this was very interesting just because this was something that I was not expecting to learn in music tech. And this is something that I've never done before. But I think it's really good that if one day I just want to make another app in music or any other topic in general, that I could just make it and put it in the App Store and maybe even get some money for it on the side. So my future plans are to graduate college with a music degree and a concentration in music production and music business. I plan to go to grad school either at Berklee College of Music or NYU. And one of the reasons why I want to go to grad school is when you go to grad school and you have your master's, you can teach at any college. So that's always a good backup plan. But I want to become an audio engineer, which is just a fancy name for music producer. And with that, I just want to do freelance producing for other artists, and I want to write for myself and other artists, and just eventually become a performing artist. So I have enjoyed this class this semester, and hopefully there'll be more classes like